guys, day 2 of Camaro Fest. We've got a lot of vendors here, a lot of cars here. We've got some racing going on. Mods going on. ZL1 add-ons. Fast Tech is here. GM is here with a tent.
We're back for another year.
That's right, Camaro Fest 9.
Number 9.
Well, we're going to have a lot of fun this weekend, and there's a lot more to come.
Yep.
What's your name?
Nick Page.
Where'd you come from?
Fort Smith, Arkansas.
And you are a Camaro fan.
Yes, sir.
50th anniversary. Is this your first Camaro?
It is.
Sweet. I love that color. My first new Camaro was gray, the cyber gray.
Because the bow tie moved, you can now get the illuminated bow tie back on your SS. So.
Another good use for a drone. Day at the track today, at the car show, watched some great racing, and now we're just going to go back to the hotel and chill out a little bit while and maybe take a shower because it's hot out here. We'll see you later. Show this morning. We had some drag racing, autocrossing, and now it's party time.
Absolutely. Big time party.